Isn't it amazing that the stock of Tesla is poised to soar? While some analysts disagree, the majority of Tesla devotees think that this is a very real possibility. With so many intriguing and potential developments coming from the organization, you most likely wouldn't want to miss this information. Fans of Tesla are certain that the stock will soar, even though it is difficult to predict stock prices. You will discover today why the stock of Tesla is about to soar. The clean energy startup Tesla never stops surprising investors and market analysts. Headlines like Tesla stock price goes ballistic again shattered the internet in 2020. Similar headlines that essentially stated the same thing, that Tesla shares have skyrocketed, surfaced in 2021. In 2022, the talk of Tesla stock about to soar is again on the radar screen. Tesla's stock is down almost 16% so far this year, but if not for a strong rebound over the past few months, the firm's year to date return would have been substantially worse. The stock has gained over 30% during this time, while the S&P 500 has gained just 6%. A Tesla enthusiast claims that there are three main reasons to believe that Tesla stock is going to have a huge upswing and overtake Apple as the most valuable corporation in the world. Of course, some may find this to be excessively ambitious, but a lot of Tesla devotees think the industry-leading EV manufacturer will be able to pull it off. First of all, with all the preparations the firm has made over the past few years on various fronts, it seems like Tesla is ready for big things. Among these are the newly established gigafactories in Austin and Berlin, which are intended to support the production of the Shanghai facility. This is particularly important given the Shanghai plant's output is restricted by a number of rules stemming from the government's zero-COVID policy. The numerous products Tesla has been working on launching over the past few years, the 4,680 batteries, the Semi, and the Cybertruck, which has had an unceasing stream of orders and reservations since last year, are all noteworthy accomplishments. Most people think that the company's profits for the upcoming quarter will show a big improvement, which would please everyone aside from, of course, those who hope it doesn't do well. With the help of the specialized production line in Austin, they are currently scaling up production of the 4,680 cells, despite production problems in the past, because they are a completely new form factor that did not exist until Tesla produced them. Furthermore, Tesla does not want to depend solely on Panasonic, a cell partner of 4,680 productions. In May, they began their own pilot manufacturing in Japan and shipped the first 4,680 sample cells to Tesla. It was revealed this week that a battery facility for serial production is likely to be constructed in Kansas. In Shinoan, Samsung's SDI is constructing a 4,680 pilot line series production is expected to begin later in Malaysia. Notwithstanding its somewhat odd form and relatively limited industrial capacity, the Fremont plant is designed to produce 700,000 automobiles annually. With the latest modifications in the planned extension, the Shanghai factory should be able to produce 1.2 million automobiles annually, ranking among the largest automotive factories globally. When Berlin and Austin have fully established in all business-related elements, they can each produce roughly 500,000 cars annually. Once established, they can reach a 2.9 million car annual manufacturing level. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, appears to be winding down his Twitter endeavor, which is another factor. Whatever the outcome, it should be highlighted that many were worried that Musk was abandoning Tesla, or at the very least going to lose focus on the company when this news initially surfaced. Investors breathe a collective sigh of relief as it appears that it will shortly come to an end. Lastly, the fact that Tesla's rivals are trailing far behind in the race is the final justification for an optimistic outlook on the company. Expert in auto manufacturing Sandy Monroe claims that Tesla has no rivals. Other analysts seem to agree that since Tesla is the only firm producing battery electric vehicles in large quantities, there is no competition for the company. For more of this stuff, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Tesla continues to lead EV companies despite a deluge of funding. It's obvious that Tesla is the only successful EV firm, but BYD might be an actual rival of Tesla. Everybody is so much behind, and Tesla is so far ahead, claims Tesla economist. Although everyone believed that Tesla's actions could be repeated, the company has advanced significantly and now has a huge waiting list for all of its automobiles. There are still 5 to 10 years between other EV manufacturers and the 4,680 Model Y from Giga Texas. Because of its advanced manufacturing facility, dealership-free business model, vertical integration, stellar financials, and industry-leading in-car software, experts predict that Tesla will always have an advantage over its competitors. They went on to say that no other businesses are producing or selling electric cars that are comparable to those made by Tesla, Even though there are currently just 2% of electric vehicles in use worldwide, this percentage is predicted to rise sharply in the next years. Star investor and CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, stated that big companies are failing terribly when questioned about their opinions on competing with Tesla in the production of electric vehicles. She claims that because they are not following Tesla's lead in lowering the cost of consumer devices, they are failing in the area of battery technology. She said that when Tesla first started using phone batteries in the bottom of the car, people used to make fun of them since those same phone batteries have a tendency to blow up. According to Wood, Tesla employs lithium-ion pouches, which are significantly more expensive than the batteries company uses for its consumer goods. As a result, businesses that want to take on Tesla will have to sell every electric vehicle at a loss and risk losing the market for internal combustion engines. According to Wood, the reason Tesla is so far ahead of its rivals is because they are still in the early stages of their development. According to her, the vehicles they have supplied thus far don't even come close to matching the Model S's range or other specifications from Tesla. The amount of money that other manufacturers must invest in their EV, RD, battery, and manufacturing facilities is nearly equal to what Tesla spends on these areas. This is due to the fact that an electric vehicle's outside and a fuel vehicle's inside are completely different. For an EV, new manufacturing and research are needed for the electric motor, battery, powertrain control computer, and many other components. Furthermore, Tesla has more experience than any other automaker, having been creating and refining its cars for more than 10 years. In actuality, Lucid and Rivian, two of the newest EV startups, were unable to replicate Tesla's business strategy. Considering that Lucid and Rivian said Tesla's finances were in excellent shape in comparison to other businesses, their negative gross margins are startlingly large. According to Cathie Wood, there are 3 other benefits that Tesla offers. Batteries come first. Secondly, they possess an AI chip of their own. Wood claimed that their analyst James Wang, who spent 8 years working at the artificial intelligence giant NVIDIA, was astounded by the specifications of Tesla's semiconductor. According to Wang, Tesla is 4 years ahead of all other automakers in terms of available semiconductor technology specs. This is crucial to Tesla's objective of using electric vehicles to become autonomous. Artificial intelligence initiatives are directly related to being autonomous, and the winner will have the most and the best quality data. The nearest rival, Waymo, only has 20 million real-world driving miles, compared to 14 billion for Tesla. Lastly, the fact that Tesla is the only automaker still offering over-the-air software updates to alter performance gives it an advantage over rival businesses. While many people think Tesla cannot compete with the large, well-established automakers, others are optimistic that the firm will be valued in the trillions by the end of the decade. Elon stated in 2013 that the objective of Tesla is to hasten the automotive sector's shift to electric vehicles. He stated, "Our goal is not just to become a big brand or compete with Honda Civic, but rather to advance the cause of electric vehicles." Musk stated that until the industry is entirely electric, they would merely keep producing more and more electric vehicles while bringing down their price. Check out our other videos on our channel for more information about Tesla stocks.